today's first concept is, look at the class once again. Someone raised the hand. Who is that?
Sir, may I ask?
Someone has raised the hand.
May I ask one question?
Two participants. Bolo.
Sir, was a bit confused between that.
Sorry.
Hello.
Ek minute. Sorry. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, I was a bit confused. Like, do that set and get means printf and scanf? They are similar or what? Set, get, and printf, scanf.
Printf and scanf. No.
And printf and set. No. Printf, scanf, and set and get are similar or what?
No. Printf is to display everything, and scanf is to accept. Set and get. Set allows you have to pass the value when you call set, and when you call get, you get the value, whatever you have passed. Okay. Printf and scanf, first of all, they are from C programming, and they are variable number of argument functions. Okay. These are member functions. Those are global functions. That's the main difference. So whenever you define a class, you will learn that in this entire Java SE. Whenever you define any class, first of all, you define member variables, instance members. And for those instance members, you have setter and getter. For each and every instance member, you have a pair of setter and getter. So setter allows you to set the value to that member, and getter allows you to get the value of that member. Quite different.
And then from where do we get that value? Means what is the path we get that value from?
Path? No. See, student S1 is equal to new student S1 dot setname Rahul. So when I say S1 dot setname Rahul, Rahul will go to str, and Rahul will be set to name. Name will be initialized with Rahul. And how will you get that value is S1 dot get name. So when you call getter method, whatever value you have passed to setter method, you get the exact same value.
Okay. Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Like set age, S1 dot set age 23. To get that age, what you have passed, you will call S1 dot get age. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much space taken by that stack variable?
Yeah. Now see, in Java, we do not have size of operator. But then you can see the picture here. How many bytes S1 will occupy? 4
bytes.
Because it has got address.
Yes, sir.
It has got address. And the size of object, name and age. Again, name is a string reference. So 4 and age 4, 8. 4 plus 4,
Okay,
8.
sir.
Okay. Have a look at that class once again. Bolo.
Sir, every time for a new class, new stack and heap is created.
No. Stack and heap are same for one JVM.
Okay.
For a JVM, yeah. Now when you run the program, how do you run the program? Java demo 2, right?
Yeah.
Now when you say Java demo 2, you invite JVM to execute your program. So that JVM has got stack and heap. So whatever stack and heap that JVM provides, your entire program uses that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sagar.
Sir, can you repeat this memory allocation part? How much memory will allocate that object and reference?
Yeah, reference holds address.
Yes,
Address
sir.
is integer. Integer occupies 4 bytes.
Yes, sir.
So S1 occupies 4 bytes. And this object has got string. String name is what? Name is a reference of string. Okay. So once again,
Yes.
reference occupies 4 bytes. Name and age is int. int occupies 4. So,
So
4 plus 4, 8.
So you mean this name is also reference of that string?
Yeah.
And where will this string will store, sir?
Same thing, no? Reference will be on stack and value will be in heap. Object will be in heap. About string, we are going to discuss everything. So
Yes, sir.
wait till that point.
Yeah.
We have a special discussion for string class. Now, if you look at this class student has got name and age. These are instance members. And in the picture, in the diagram, you can clearly see that since we are creating two objects, name and age are different for both objects. Name and age for this object is different and name and age for this object are different. So name and age are different for different objects. So like that, if I create 10 objects, I will have 10 different names and ages. Okay. But what about member functions? Name and age will have different copies as per the objects created. So if we create 5 objects, so name and age will have 5 copies. How many copies member functions will have? For example, set name. How many copies set name will have if I create 5 objects? In my current example, I have created 2 objects. So how many copies for set name? 1 or 2. How many copies for get name? 1 or 2. How many copies for set age and get age? 1 or 2. Answer 1. No matter, you take any object-oriented programming language, C++, C#, Python, and whatnot, C++. Concept is same. The concept is, no matter how many objects you create, member functions have only one copy in the memory. Member functions have only one copy in the memory. So that means, let's take an example of set name only. The concept is same for other methods. Set name. So somewhere here, I write set name. Afterwards, I will tell you where exactly method gets stored. That we will discuss when we discuss JVM architecture. At present, you understand that somewhere here, method is there, set name. I am discussing only one method, but the same concept is applied for all the methods. Set name. Let's say that set name method is allocated memory inside JVM and its address is Python. And you have a code